I'm from George Memorial Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple microwave meal for yourself. Today we're going to make orange chicken thighs. As you can see, you don't need a lot of supplies in order to do this. We just have some chicken thighs, one orange juice, onion powder, white pepper, and soy sauce. And this right here is a cheese grater, which we're going to use to zest our orange. So the first thing you're going to do is get your thighs in your container, and you'll get your two powders. So you're going to take the onion powder and the white pepper, and you will need a teaspoon of the white pepper and half a teaspoon of onion powder. You're going to put them together. I've already got some prepared here in a little bowl, just like that, and we're just going to use this and we're just going to sprinkle it on. Once you've sprinkled on the powder, you're going to get the orange juice and your soy sauce. You will need half a cup of orange juice and a teaspoon of soy sauce. We're going to mix them together, like so, and you're just going to pour that over your chicken thighs. So you're going to have a nice bowl there. And then lastly, we take our orange and we're going to zest the orange over top. Excuse me. It's just the top here, just a little bit. That's going to be to taste. That's however much you want. If you want to do a lot, you can do that. Not a lot. I'm not that big of a fan. And that is all you need to do to prepare. You're going to take this, cover it, and we're going to put it in the microwave on high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, what you're going to have will look like this. So we've uncovered it now, and we will put it back in the microwave on medium this time for 20 to 30 minutes. And that's going to depend on your microwave and what your power levels are like. But you'll just make sure to check it when it's done and after the first 20 minutes, and then put it in for longer if it needs it. So we're going to put it back in the microwave for another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so after your 20 minutes are over, you'll just take out your chicken and plate it, and there you have a main course to eat, and all you needed to cook it with was a microwave.